In this question, we want to find the standard deviation of x minus 11, x minus 1, x plus 5, and x plus 7. The formula of standard deviation is as follows. In first step, we need to find the x bar. X bar equals x minus 11 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 over 4, which equals x. In the next step, we need to find the square deviation from the mean. The deviation from mean are negative 11, negative 1, 5, and 7, and square it. We get the square deviation are 121, 125, and 49. Then we can compute the variance. Variance equals 121 plus 1 plus 25 plus 49 over 4, which equals 49. Since variance equals the square of standard deviation, therefore standard deviation equals 7.